Now,
All right, fellow prospectors, we are here at the name of this place? It's not
Woodstock.
Hancock. Yeah,
No,
frick's sake. Anyway, we're here up at the White Mountains, camping and going gold prospecting at Tunnel Brook. And this is the slop du jour. It's vegetarian. We've got onions, red peppers, tomatoes I grew, potatoes I grew. This is some garlic. And then we're frying this up. You've got to be liberal with that garlic. Yes, we must be liberal with the garlic. And then we'll add some more onions or whatever. I got some dehydrated eggs I might rehydrate and throw in there and make some kind of a Chinese something or another. So this is my handy dandy dicer and slicer. Isn't that beautiful? This is a Harbor Freight special. So I am just picking up the potatoes first, and I'm going to move this around. I have no clue what this is. This is a slop du jour. Vegetarian slop du jour. I got tomatoes that came with us, and they got a little squishy on the trip because I packed terrible. And so what I'm doing over here is I'm saving my tomatoes from these seeds, and I'm just putting the tomatoes in the slop du jour so we don't lose or waste anything. And next year, if I want to, I can regrow these seeds. Now, if I can find a bunch of nuggets the size of these seeds today, although the pickings at Tunnel Brook seem a little slim and grim. And there was a landslide right in front of us. A couple of rocks came flying down. Tell them, Ryan, tell them.
yeah, we were just sitting there minding our own business, and suddenly a bunch of rocks came down the this wall of dirt that is the remnants of a hurricane a few years ago, and it caused a whole bunch of damage.
We thought the tree was going to come down with it.
Yeah.
Maybe it was Sasquatch throwing things at us. That's what it was. It was Sasquatch mad because we were over there digging in what's left of the brook. It is very low. It is very low. There's hardly any water in there. I had enough water to try out my potato pan, and I still haven't found any gold with it yet. But it's a practice. You're only as good as you make your camera work. Because if you use it, you learn how to do better camera work. If you have a gold any kind of a metal detector, the more you use it, the more you're going to know how to use that. And the same with cooking or anything else. I mean, if you're just trying to do something and you don't know how to do it, well, then that's not going to happen very good. I think I'm going to put, I dehydrated a bunch of tomatoes from 1 year or so ago, and dehydrated tomatoes add a whole different flavor, kind of like throwing tomato paste in there. I think I'll throw some of those in there. I just want to make sure I don't lose any of these tomatoes, and that if I want to grow them again, I've got plenty of their little baby seeds, and I can do that. We're making, Hancock was closed because of a bear attack, so make sure when you come camping out here in their property, and this is their land, not ours, we're just visiting, make sure that you clean up and don't leave anything hanging around and messy, because it just attracts them. And now Hancock is closed because of this big to-do. I found that out by going to the ranger station to get our gold prospecting permit. Make sure you do that too, because you got to have your gold prospecting permit in order to gold prospect. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. Pain in the butt. We got exactly at 4:30 at the ranger station at the beginning of here's the these I dehydrated myself. So I'm just gonna throw a few of those in there for texture. They look terrible, but they're still good. Nice and chewy. Now, let's see. We want to turn this into like a gravy, avy thing, or as soon as this stuff cooks a little bit more, I'm going to put what we got of our soy sauce, and where'd you say the honey is? Ah, I got this little teeny thing of honey that was in my camping gear. So it started raining on us at Tunnelbrook, and I didn't know if it was going to turn into a massive conflagration. We had the cat with us. Oh, hey, just because I said it was raining didn't mean you have to drip it right in the middle of the frying pan. What is that? Huh? Bird poo?
Oh my God.
I can't have that. Alright. So I'm going to put some Worcester sauce in there, and then I'm going to put some
Soy
honey
sauce.
in there. Soy sauce. Sorry. I was watching something on Facebook. Some guy was trying to say, Worcestershire sauce. Alright, there's one less thing we gotta lug home. I pack like the world is coming to an end tomorrow. There is no rhyme, there's no reason. You want to stick some beets in there? How about some carrots? We should put a couple of carrots in there. Ooh. Get some seeds. We got, oh, I got the zucchini I want to put in there. See that? Right out of somebody's garden. Not mine. Not my garden. But zucchini is good. Go right down the center like so. I gotta put these seeds over here along with the other ones. I'm in my cameo. My sister sent up from Georgia. I'm really happy with it. The sleeves are a little long, but it's a great shirt. I got two of them. Okay.
All right, we'll get back to you guys in a little bit.
Bye-bye.